Hello, this is the Solitary Chef, and today I'm going to show you a super quick way to make unbelievable hummus. There's a slight catch though, my blender's broken, so I'm going to do it in my 1 cup smoothie maker. But I know it's going to turn out great. Anyway, let's get to it. So, we've got about 300 grams of chickpeas. You can get them in a tin, or you can kind of soak them overnight and boil them and do them yourself. But quite simply, these all go in. Okay. We're going to take about 1/4 of a lemon. Squeeze that all in. We're going to need some salt, about 3 decent pinches of sea salt in there. Let's just go with 4, feeling dangerous today. All right, we're going to take 1 clove of garlic. Probably just kind of roughly chop this down. It would just help break it up a bit more. Okay. Now, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of tahini. This is the organic whole tahini. I think it's slightly different from regular tahini, and they use the whole thing. I don't know. Anyway, so 2 of those. Okay. Now we're putting a tablespoon of olive oil in there. This actually also kind of helps with lubrication when it's blending. And then we're going to do about 1/4 of a cup of water. Pour that in. And I think that's all for the ingredients. We're probably going to need to add a bit more salt, but we can do that later. So, all right, this is the blender. It's going to get a bit noisy. Yeah, it's done. That's how quick and easy it is with a 1 cup blender, right? So, and it's so fluffy. Look at that. And if you just kind of put your hand under the bowl and do that by holding on to the bowl, it will kind of even out. Okay. And then you just kind of smooth out a reservoir. Put some olive oil, like so. And then we're going to use some of this spice here called sumac. Very important, don't go out and try and buy smack, because it's illegal. It's sumac. It's these little, it's kind of very Middle Eastern, and just kind of sprinkle it over. And that is it. It's as simple as that. And just look how unbelievably creamy that looks. I haven't tasted it yet, but I know it tastes amazing. Right, I got a dollop on my finger here. Yeah, it's absolutely perfect. Quick and easy hummus in literally a couple of minutes. If you like the video, please give me a like and please subscribe, and I will see you again next week. Thank you.